Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Top Best. Since we all love traveling, we are using different types of transportations, but nothing can be like traveling by our own vehicles. Nowadays, traveling by plane or having more fans, maybe because it takes less time and is more safe. However, some are there who wants to make it more fun for themselves. Do you want to know how? They have their own private jets. In this video, I'm gonna introduce some cheap private jets for you. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get the notifications of our new videos. The top 10 cheapest private jets. Number 1. Cirrus Vision Jet, $1.96 million. This private jet is the smallest and the least expensive option in our today's list. It is 30.7 feet long with a wingspan of 38.7 feet. It is one of the cheapest jets with only $1.96 million. It is the world's first private single-engine jet. Cirrus Vision Jet uses a Williams FJ335A international turbofan engine. It is capable of producing 1,800 lbs of thrust with a speed of 345 miles per hour. The jet can be flown individually, so if you are a certified pilot, you can eliminate the cost of hiring one and even reduce the cost. The cabin is 4 feet high and 5 feet wide and can sit up to 7 people, plus an in-flight entertainment system. Number 2. Learjet 60, $2 million. The Learjet brand has been the favorite of athletes and entertainers for a long time. Penn Stewart, the late golfer, had a Learjet before his untimely death in 1995. And Dale Earnhardt Jr. also has a Learjet 60. This private jet has enough space for 8 passengers and is operated by 2 crews. The Learjet 60 typically has 2 paired and Whitney turbofan engines. The engines produce 4,600 lbs thrust, which gives the aircraft a maximum range of 2,240 miles. What about the cost? Nowadays, a Learjet 60 can go for $2 million. Number 3. Cessna Citation X, $3 million. It is one of the true classics of the private jet industry. The Citation X has been working for nearly 25 years. The prices are various, from the most expensive like $23 million, while some are only $3 million. Citation X is not a single-engine aircraft like the other few personal jets. This is a medium-sized jet with a crew of 2 and a room for 12 people. Citation X is capable of cruising at about 607 miles per hour, and its operating range is over 3,900, which allows you to cross the Atlantic safely. Number 4. Stratos 716X, $3.5 million. This jet has been in development for more than a decade, and during this time the name was changed only once, from 714 to the new branded one, 716X. The price is only $3.5 million. It looks like it competes with the Cirrus Vision to become the world's second largest single-engine private jet. It is planned to be powered by a Pratt & Whitney Canada JT15D5 engine. The estimated range for this aircraft is around 1,500 miles. It is affordable and enough to get you from New York to Minneapolis. Number 5. Hondajet H420, $3.7 million. Honda's new entry into the private jet market is the Japanese motor giant's latest attempt to expand its brand. The price is $3.7 million. The aircraft can be piloted alone or with a partner. It can carry 6 passengers and is powered by two GE Honda HF120 turbofan engines. This allows the aircraft to have the speed of 483 miles per hour. It's more than enough to take you from New York to Chicago. Number 6. Embraer Phenom 100, $4.95 million. This plane can be piloted solo and can carry up to 7 passengers. As a private jet, it is 42 feet long. The price is $4.95 million. Embraer 100 uses two Pratt & Whitney Canada PW617 F1E turbofan engines that each produce 1,730 lbs of thrust. The range is over 2,180 miles with a speed of 470 miles per hour. Number 7. Cessna Citation CJ3, $7 million. NASCAR driver Kevin Harvick owns a CJ3. While it may not cost much, this personal jet is still one of our most expensive options with $7 million. However, it is cheaper than the other private jets on the market. It is a variation of the Citation 525, which is a model that has been used around since 90s. Updates like CJ3 has helped to extend its lifespan. Its speed is 480 miles per hour and a range of 2,000 miles. What makes this craft cheap is that it is flown by a single pilot. You don't need to hire a co-pilot. It can carry 7 passengers. Number 8. Embraer Legacy 600, $10 million. The highest price for Embraer Legacy 600 is $25 million, which is normal for a business jet, and the lowest price is $10 million, which is counted as a bargain. The aircraft is crewed by 2 pilots and can carry up to 14 passengers. It has 2 engines and the speed is 528 miles per hour. $10 million is a large amount for most of us, but for those who can afford it, Embraer Legacy 600 is one of the cheapest private jets. Number 9. Cessna Citation XLS Plus, $12.8 million. Cessna Citation XL Plus is a business class jet with a price of $12.8 million. It is available in 6 different color schemes with luxurious leather interiors. It can carry 9 passengers and 2 crew members. The speed is 507 miles per hour and the range is 2,100 miles. You can fly from New York to New Mexico. Number 10. Embraer Legacy 650E, $25.9 million. You might be surprised at how a $25.9 million jet can be counted as the cheap ones, but for Embraer Legacy 650E, it's a bargain. It has 2 engines with a speed of 515 miles per hour. The jet has a 3,900-mile range, so you can fly from New York to London or Boston to Barcelona with no problem. It can carry up to 13 passengers.